Hey, what's up? It is Dillon King with Home Buyer Louisiana. I am here near Uptown New Orleans, kind of just outside of it, but still like Audubon Zoo area, off like Leake Avenue. So wherever you live, if you have a home, a property that you, for whatever reason, just don't have the time, the energy, the funds, resources, whatever it is to maintain it, and you want to get rid of this property, you want to get rid of it fast for cash, go to homebuyerlouisiana.com, fill out that form about the property, tell us how to get in touch with you, and we will. And I will show up, kind of give you an inspection. I'm in this house. There's a lot of cracks in the plaster, whether it's the ceiling, the walls, that takes a lot of maintenance. It's not just like repairing some sheetrock. You can see this house still has a lot of belongings in it. The power is on, but sometimes the houses we go into, the power and the utilities are off. You can see behind me here, we got a window boarded up, and we also have some exterior of the house. A family kind of DIY'd making an interior. You can see even there's a hole in the, not just the ceiling, but you see daylight, so that also means we've got a hole in the roof there. Like I said, this was exterior, family DIY'd, and made an interior space, and there's just belongings. They don't have to move any of this out. They don't have to move any of this stuff that they don't want to take or can't take for whatever reason, and they also don't have to do any repairs. So that's the great thing. We're going to buy the property as is, fast, for cash. So go to homebuyerlouisiana.com, tell us about your property, tell us how to get in touch with you, and let's see how fast we can help you.